Hey everyone, Sean here at the Brass Cellar. Wanted to quickly introduce you to a product that I've been using for the last 10 years. And this isn't a paid endorsement or anything, this is just me letting you know about something that I think is really cool. So some of you who watch the channel or know me may know that I've been a big endorser for Wedge Mouthpieces. In fact, Dr. Dave's a personal friend of mine that I've known probably since 2009 when I first got this room. No, not this particular one, but actually this one right here. I bought this mouthpiece top in 2009 and I have used it ever since until I got this one. And the only reason I got this one about a year ago is because I dropped this one and I've got a little kink on it, which kind of annoyed me. So I picked up another top. So I've been using the trumpet, but the lesser known thing is the Flugel mouthpiece. Now the Flugel mouthpiece on a two-piece is super cool because no, it's probably not going to work. Oh, it is going to work for me. Here we go. You can take the back off here. So you've got the top and you've got your back bore or your shank. Now with these particular ones, the cool thing about this is if you order the top, you can also get multiple combinations of shanks. So I've got a shank on here. So let's say I've had a French Flugel. I've got a French Flugel shank. I've got a, say I had a Bach Flugel. There is a standard one for like Yamaha instruments. Now I can use this mouthpiece, if I get the right shank, I can obviously just pop that straight on and I can put it into any different brand as long as I have the shank. This also works in a cornet if you order the cornet shank, so nothing changes there. But the cool thing, if you're traveling and you've got some ballads and things to play, you can order a trumpet shank. So it's a Flugel Top trumpet shank, and that'll plug straight into your instrument. What I'll do is I'll pop this over onto here. And we'll switch over to an instrument mic. So check this out. So this is what the trumpet. Okay, so that's a trumpet shank. Now check this out. Pop this mouthpiece in. So you've got pretty much a pocket flugel and having just a change of your mouthpiece. Now I know other mouthpiece manufacturers do this. Hang on, let me switch over here. So other mouthpiece manufacturers offer this. I think Curry has a version. I think Warburton might have a version. I could be wrong there. Pretty sure ACB has a version of this. Yeah, the wedge, if you're already playing a wedge and you didn't know about this, get yourself one of these mouthpieces in a similar size to you're playing and order the Flugel trumpet shank. And then you can just, carry around the one instrument. In a pinch, it's never going to replace a Flugel, let's be honest, but if you just have one horn and you're playing a single, ballad on a gig or something that wasn't super high profile, like it's a really good option. Or you could just switch on this if you had like a bar gig or something and you just wanted some soft to make things way softer. This is a great option too. So if you didn't know about it, check them out. I think I'll probably get it wrong, but I think it's www.wedgemouthpieces.com. As I say, it's not a paid endorsement or anything. It's just I've used these for 10 years. Fantastic mouthpieces. As I say, I've still got my original one. The silver plating hasn't worn out, and I use it every day. So there you go. For what it's worth, I thought I'd just let you know about a cool product.